Hi, first graders. You're back for some more Fundations, and you're back for Unit 9, Week 1, Day 4. And you already know how we're going to start. We're going to practice our sounds. Here we go. E-R, whisper, I, itch, B, bat, b. A-I, bait, C-H, chin, ch. I-N-G, ring, ing. A-Y, play, a. Now, yesterday I told you about vowel teams, and I said vowel teams are kind of like digraphs, except it's two vowels, and those two vowels go together to make one sound. And I also told you that Mrs. Sperry likes to remember vowel teams by saying when two vowels go a-walking, the first one does the talking. So here's a new vowel team we're going to learn today. I look at the letters and I can see E, E. Well, when two vowels go a-walking, the first one does the talking. So my first vowel is E, and that says E, kind of like in a Jeep. I also can remember this vowel team with this card. I can say E, E, Jeep, E. Can you say that with me? E, E, Jeep, E. Good job. Another one that we can know is E-A. So when these two vowels go a-walking, the first one does the talking. What's our first vowel? E. So again, this one's also going to say E. Kind of like he's going to eat that spaghetti. So here's what we say for this card. E-A, eat, E. Okay, say that with me. E-A, eat, E. Good job. I see E-Y. Remember, I told you yesterday, sometimes Y likes to be a vowel. Well, this is where it likes to be a vowel. I look at my two vowels that are walking, E-Y. The first one's going to talk, just my E. So what's this going to say? E. Now, this is a picture of a key. So I can remember this card with E-Y, key, E. Can you say that with me? E-Y, key, E. Now, let's go back. We have our three new vowel teams. We have E-E, E-A, E-Y. And what do all of those vowel teams say? E. Very good. Today we have a word of the day. So I'm going to put the cards up and we're going to get ready to tap. When I look at these cards, I see that I have 3 cards, which means I'm going to have 3 taps. I also see that I have 2 yellow cards. If you remember, 2 yellow cards next to each other is going to be a blend. I have 2 types of blends. I have a digraph blend and I have a consonant blend. Do you see a digraph on either of these cards? Nope. So this is going to be a consonant blend. Are you ready to tap? All right. Act. Act. This is the word act. And we might say, I want to act in a movie. Or she's famous because she can act. Very good. Now, if I were able to mark this word up, I would put a breve above my A because it's short. And I would underline my C and underline my T. Do you remember why they both get their own line? Oh, yeah, it's because they both get their own tap and they get their own sound. It's a consonant blend. Awesome job. The last thing I want to do, put that back on. We've been talking about closed syllables this week, and we know that a closed syllable has 2 rules it has to follow. 1 vowel and end in a consonant. So let's double check and see if this is a closed syllable. I only see 1 pink card. That tells me this word only has 1 vowel. So we met the first rule. I also see that the last card is yellow, which means it ends in a consonant. So we met the second rule. So first graders, is this word a closed syllable? Yeah, it is. I would mark it up by underlining the base word, and then I have to put a letter underneath that line. Do you remember what letter I have to put? A C for closed syllable. Good job. Okay, now I can get out of this. The last thing that we're going to do today is we're going to review some trick words. So we're going to look at our flashcards and we're going to say the words. And remember, flashcards or trick words, we have to know quickly. So we're going to go quickly through these cards. Ready? Here we go. Would, could, should, her, over, number, why, by, my, try, put, to, very, also, some, come, you, your, I, they, was, one, said, from, have, do, does, and that's it. And that's all for today. Good work, first graders. I'm going to see you tomorrow.